Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Car Place in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Mercedes-Benz A-Class. This car comes with a lovely specification. You've got a radio with USB inputs for MP3 devices, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, along with rear parking aids and a colour camera. You've also got air conditioning and cruise control with a speed limiter. This car also comes with front heated seats. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a minimum 6 months warranty with breakdown assistance. Here at Howard's we like to tailor your experience depending on your individual requirements, whether that be by using our Howard's Click and Collect service, Howard's Home Delivery, or even a traditional appointment at our showroom where we do have all of our social distancing measures in place. If you'd like any more information on this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and we will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.